colors. So let's go. Okay, ooh, this one's pretty. So since I'm doing 2 wigs, I am going to get 2 color, like 1 color for each wig. But I'm going to like mix some, just pick like the color I want.
Do like an ombre?
Yeah. So like for one, I wanted to do like a blue to a purple.
Cool.
So I was
Ooh,
thinking,
look at this pink.
that's pretty. And then I'm trying to think what I should do for the next one.
Well,
What's a good color? Let's see. So this is, I think, more of a lighter purple.
Yeah.
And this
Great.
is a darker purple.
Broke it.
So I think I'll get like the little color for the purple and the bigger color for the light purple, because I think I'm gonna be using more of the light purple for the ends. And then I can like use this and then put some in so I don't have to use a full bottle of this. Okay, so we got everything we need. I'm gonna show you really quick. So we got the blue color, we got purple color, and we got the neon pink color. And we also got the applier and the bowl. So let's go home and dye our wigs.
What's wrong?
I hate this wig.
You can't do it like that. You're gonna pull out all the hair, honey. You have to start from the bottom and do it softly and make your way up. This is a synthetic wig, and most wigs get to looking like
I'm
this.
not doing that no more.
So what are we going to do?
Steam it.
That will help make it so that it's not staticky like that anymore. It'll smooth it. Daya hates the feel of that.
I'm steaming it, so just take it and brush, like, go down on it.
See, it makes it so much silkier.
Yeah, but then when you brush it, it gets like wax. It does make it look better. It looks so silver on here, but when you get closer, it looks better. Alright, so this is the wig that, it's like the cheaper wigs, and this one we got on Amazon a long time ago, and it's probably around 10 bucks, and it's really long, and this is the one we got for $25. That's the real hair and the better one. And we also got this off Amazon. So let's open it. I'm super excited. I opened it and then I was like, oops. So I'm excited to see how it looks. I'm actually really excited. Alrighty. See how it looks. Gives me a wig cap. Thank you.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
And they gave me eyelashes.
Ooh.
Okay, random, but okay.
Wow, that's really nice.
This is really good. It also comes with lace on top, so you can like blend it into your skin. This is such a pretty wig. I almost don't want to color it. It's so pretty.
Seriously.
But we're gonna do it. Hopefully I don't ruin it. I think, should I brush it? Or?
Yeah, I want to see it on just like as it is too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, it actually looks like real hair.
I know. Let's see. Cute. Oh my gosh. So weird.
Okay, so that's the wig and that's what it looks like on me. So let's start getting our stuff. So we have our little bowl here. We also have our little brush applier thing. Good thing to put on, right? And then we have colors. We have our purple. We have our neon pink for the other wig. Put over there for now. And we have our blue. And we just got this from Sally's, so. And we're using the Arctic box. I've seen a lot of people use it, and apparently, so. Yeah, we're gonna use it. Here's your blue. We have that color.
Poseidon.
Poseidon, that's how you say it.
Do you know who Poseidon is?
Yeah, he's this underwater sea person.
He's the god of
he's
the...
a god, never mind. I learned that in social studies.
Clearly. It's just
I said I remember, and Zeus, and yeah.
Poseidon is the god of the seas.
See, I knew he was part of the sea. Okay, anyways, let's just pour some out. Whoa, that is pretty. Ooh.
Ooh, blue.
Ooh, blue. Wow, that is really pretty. All right, I guess here we go. It's looking okay. I've never done this before, so I have no clue how to do this very well. So we're just going for it. I hope this turns out good. If both of these are a fail, that's gonna be really sad. But also not that.
But also kind of funny.
Yeah. I don't be like, oh.
And we'll just have to buy this wig again. Just keep it blonde.
Yeah.
It's a good wig.
Yeah. You guys should. If you're doing this, this is a good wig. We just found it. We just searched up like long hair wigs. It's okay if it gets on my gloves. We get back to the gloves if for.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, by the way, I lost it too. That's cool.
Ding.
Okay, so since we're only getting right now the like the top layer, we're gonna like grab some hair under it like this. Just try and grab this top layer here and get under there. Like that, and kind of like set it to the side. So do we just fold this?
Flip it over.
Mm-hmm.
And get the underneath part.
Okay. And we just get this part. Okay, here we go. Under the side. I'm gonna continue doing that all the way around the head. Okay, so we are finished with the blue pretty much. And we have kind of just been using our hands to get the rest. Looks pretty good. So just grab it on your hands and then you kind of find a blonde spot and you just kind of rub it on there. Wherever it needs it. Just like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now onto the purple. All right guys, so now we're gonna do the purple. So purple and let's put some in. And we washed out the bowl, so. Ooh, it's beautiful, it's pretty.
What is it called?
It's called Girls Night.
Whoop whoop.
So, that's that color. Now, let's get down the wig again.
Ooh, I like it.
And it's on. Put it on there.
Get my shoulder workout in.
No. Now I'm using the brush kind of towards the blue because it blends it a little bit better. So we're just like getting some purple and then we're just rubbing it along here. So yeah. We're doing the next wig, so I'm gonna add in pink, and it looks so pretty. Oh, sorry. Wow, look, so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some like last time and apply it. Wow, this is a pretty color. I kind of hope this one works too, because like it'd be pretty to see the results. Like I'm probably never gonna wear it, but you know, Joe, that's her name. It's like some kid's watching this and he's like, oh, my name's Joe. Shout out to Joe if you're watching. So now we have these tips done. We're gonna take the brush, get some, and we're gonna kind of like fade it up a little bit. We're gonna leave this on for about 30 to 45 minutes and then we're gonna wash it. We're gonna see how it turned out. I really hope they both work because like, this is really pretty color and that was really pretty. I have high hopes for this one, but I'm kind of meh about that one. But I hope it works, so yeah. See you in a little bit. All right, so we're back and it is actually late and I changed my hair because we went to a trunk or treat. So if you're wondering why. Okay, so we're gonna start with this wig because this is one I chose. So let's do this, I guess. Oh my gosh, my hands are gonna be purple. I mean pink. Ooh, this is not looking good. I don't think
Looks like it's just coming out.
it probably is.
It doesn't even color it.
It may be tinted a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna do much.
Oh wow. Wow, it doesn't even work on that wig. Synthetic wigs are a no.
Well, we don't know yet. It could be a little bit tinted, but as you can see, it doesn't look like that. all my hard work on a wig. That's bad. I'm still gonna do the same stuff that I'm gonna do to the other leg, just do it. So. And I'm doing it in cold water because it said to wash it out in cold water, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna do shampoo. I really hope the other one stays. Some parts here and there, I don't know if I just didn't wash them good, or yeah, I just didn't wash them good because as you can watch, like if I just rub it, like it completely comes out. So that's sad. I really wanted this color to work. It's a really pretty color. Okay, well I'm not gonna do conditioner because, as you can see, it's just did not work. So. Oh my god. Came out pretty well. Jesus, this part was dyed pink. I know.
It was supposed to stay pink.
Oh. Okay, well, it's like, okay, okay, let's do this one now. I'm just gonna set it in there. This one feels like better and stuff, so I'm really hoping it works. Think it's working? I don't think it's working. Uh-oh. The purple isn't working! No! Work! It looks like... Oh no, this is not looking good. No! I really want this to work. The blue is looking like it's working a little bit. I can't tell if it's gonna stay in or not, but let's just shampoo it, I guess. I really thought this would work. We even left it in for way longer than it said. It said to wait like about 30 minutes, and oh my gosh. Well, we know it works because it's dyeing my hands, but clearly not dyeing the hair very well.
Might just be because it's not the full human hair wigs.
I guess. I mean, the blue kind of dyed it. Like, it looks like the blue is like very lightly in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna shampoo it now. Alright, so this is what it looked like after shampoo and conditioning. So, as you can see, it's kind of blue. So like, this is kind of what happened. So, we washed it, and like it kind of like from the dye dripping down, it kind of made it like it almost turned to like a really light blue, and like down here it's almost like a greenish blue. It's kind of weird. And then blue like on the really on the side, like it. I think it's gonna be mostly just blue and like light blue. So let's try it and see. All right, guys, so it's the next day because it took a while for these wigs to dry. I blow dried them, but they were still not dry. Anyways, I left them overnight. So I'm gonna show you how they turned out. So first, the blonde wig. It turned out as a failure. It totally came out. I think I know why it came out though, like in some spots. I just don't think I washed it enough because like it's crunchy there. And yeah, but.
It didn't stick at all.
Yeah. I think I know why. I think it's because since this is synthetic hair and it's not real hair, I think it was because this hair doesn't like soak in the color. Let's set this aside and show you the other one. And this one was a win-win-win. So it was half win, half fail. So the blue worked, but the purple turned into like a grayish blue. And I think because sometimes you have like when you dye hair, there's like toner or something, and you put in like purple hair dye or purple toner or something like that, and then it like turns it silver. I think that's what happened. I don't think we got a dark enough color. So, but I actually really love it. Like, I'm actually okay with it not having any purple. I think it's super pretty. And look at the way that it dries. It like dries wavy, which is so pretty, and it looks like normal hair. So it's really pretty. And it matches my shirt, so
We'll have to put it on and see.
I put it on earlier and it looks so cute. So one thing I wanted to test out is how these wigs handle heat. So I have a flat iron and I have both of my wigs and we're gonna straighten the tips and see how it goes. And if you're gonna try this too, I'd use one that you don't mind getting like ruined just in case. So we're gonna do a small test section at the bottom. So like I'm just gonna take this piece and we're just gonna, seems like it works. Let's try a couple other pieces. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty much the same. So glad this works. Perfect, this one works. So this wig was a complete win for both pretty much, which I'm so glad because this wig is so pretty and so cute. So let's set this one aside and go to the next one. I don't know how this one's gonna turn out, but. Okay, so for this one, we're just gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna we'll just take this piece right here and we'll just straighten it, I guess. I'm kind of scared, but also kind of excited. So here we go. Oh my gosh! It totally melted on there. It's like, it melted it together.
Oh my gosh. It literally melted like plastic just to the bottom.
Oh! It like turns into like glue or something. What the heck? Look, this is what it looked like before and this is what it looked like straight. All right, so this one is a triple fail because the dye didn't work. And it's like hardening. Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. And look at my flat iron. I don't know if you can see, but it's like shiny on there. Try this piece. Here we go. It does the same thing. It's stuck together. That was a lot of hair. Oh, I like took off the complete ends. They're like sizzling on there.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
So now we know, do not straighten these synthetic wigs unless you want to ruin it. A quick tip, if you have a synthetic wig for like Halloween or something like that, or you do YouTube like me and you want to have your wigs look nice and like it looks straightened, you can take a steamer and you can steam it because that doesn't use heat on it directly, so it doesn't burn it, but it uses heat so it flattens it. So that works really well. We use it on all my synthetic wigs and it works perfectly, so that's a good tip. But this wig is way better and you can straighten it on real hair. So let's go put it on. It's so cool. All right, so here's what it looks like on. I think it looks super pretty and super cute, and it kind of feels weird having long hair again. Should I grow it up? Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you think I should grow my hair out again. And this was super fun to dye and super cool, and I'm glad it worked because if it was, I was gonna be super disappointed, but I'm super glad it worked. And I hope you guys learned a couple of tips and tricks about wigs, and I hope you guys use these to, if you ever get wigs for Halloween, you know, kind of know how to style it, and if you ever want to dye it at home. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and Keith and Skip TV. So yeah, make sure you do that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.